Here is something that I want to share with you that maybe you haven't thought about. And that is that you can actually be in a place where you are in a good position in a company, you earn good money. But if you sit back a little bit and look at the whole thing holistically, you'll find out that you're actually sitting in a little cubicle that this person has supplied to you, and you're working on the dreams of that person. And if you don't know me, my name is Louw, and I'm in digital marketing, and I help people to start their own business within the digital space. And it is a huge industry that's growing hugely lately and will continue to grow, because everything, even this phone I recorded, was marketed to me digitally. And I want you to be a part of that. Why? Why do I want you? I want you to determine your own destiny. Work out some time for yourself, your finances, and in the process, you can actually earn US dollars. Now, as a South African, that means a lot. Also, you get 100% commission on every sale. You don't have any stock, any staff, no premises that you need to rent, no contacting people cold, and no DMs, none of that. The internet is your playground, and there's 5.4 billion people on that every day. So if you're interested, just drop me a comment, or you can go to my website. It's down here below. It will send you a blueprint, and you can check for the blueprint in your spam folder, work through it, and afterwards you can contact me and I will answer every question that you may have.